Hey guys, what's up? It's I Lazri here. Okay. Today I'm gonna show you in Unity 3D. Yes, in your game or something. Let's go to the Unity. Today I'm gonna show you how to create like how to shot. Like you got a weapon and you wanna shot. So let's go ahead and do this. First of all, when we got our controller, character, whatever you got. So first let's say we have a weapon. Let's create nicely weapon, sorry, game object. Let's create I don't know, a cube. Your weapon can be anything. I don't know, I just create a cube. I don't know why. It's pretty nice. Yeah, let's do it something like that. Right, so now let's put it near the character. Now when we want when the character is moving, we want the weapon to move too, you see. So it's pretty lame. So let's let's attach the weapon to the main camera of your controller, or to the controller itself. I don't know. It's alright. And here we got a weapon. Oh, that's nice. Let's up it a little bit. Try now. Alright, so we got a weapon. That's pretty cool. Now we want to do a shot. Let's create game object, create other. Let's create a bullet, a sphere. No, let's create a capsule. Capsule. Here it is, the capsule. Oh, sorry. Oh, I don't know what happened to me. Game object, create cylinder. Yes, that's nice. Let's rotate this maybe on the x-axis to 90 degrees. Let's scale it down. Right, and we got this. Let's call our cube gun or something like that, so we won't confuse. And here it is. So scale it a little bit more. Right, so here we got this thing. Let's call it bullet. Now we want to put it in a prefab. Wait, second, we want to put this bullet in a prefab. Now what a prefab is it's like a script or any other file, but in the prefab you store something like this bullet or a gun. Now you store this bullet. Now when you store something on the prefab, you can use it by script and something else. So if you got a prefab and you like this, you put it on your scene, on your platform, and then you can put more instances, and when you change one, all the instances are changing. It's like the parent of this. I don't know how to call it. You will see. Let's right click, create where is this prefab? Let's call it bullet prefab or something like that. Let's call it just bullet. I don't know, it doesn't matter. And let's attach the bullet to the prefab. Now you'll see the prefab is its color is red, blue. Sorry. You can delete the bullet from your current scene, and here we go. Here's our prefab. Now let's create a script. Right click, create JavaScript. Let's call it shoot. Now in the shoot function, we'll do the function update that happens when you render. It happens thousands on a second, I don't know, frame per second, let's say like that. Now let's see if input get button down. If the user has clicked the button, fire 1, it's the left mouse button. So let's do let's first create variable called bullet prefab. Bullet prefab, it's the bullet itself. Let's do it transform. Transform is something that's got axes like x axis, y axis, and z axis. And public variable bullet speed. Let's do it float. 6,000 maybe. It's the speed of the bullet. And alright, now let's see if doesn't exist this question mark. Oh, I forgot how to say it. Shift +1, I forgot the name of it. Oh yes, exclamation mark. If exclamation mark it doesn't, it's no, it's the opposite of yes. Bullet prefab. It's mean if the bullet prefab is not exists, or exclamation mark bullet speed. If the bullet speed is not exist, let's do debug log shot bullet prefab or bullet speed is undefined. Alright, that will print in the console this message. Let's do else if it is defined. So let's do var bullet create. You can call it however you want. Let's do it equal to instantiate. That instantiate function is create is create something in the world. Instantiate. Oh, and one thing I just forgot. Let's close the script. Let's create a game object. Create as a sphere. Let's create a sphere. Take it down and do it very small. Now let's put it near the weapon, right near the weapon, and little far away. And let's don't do mesh renderer, so it will be invisible, and call it spawn point, and put it as a child of the gun. Right, if you will mesh render it, so oh sorry, right, so never mind. Let's go to our shot function, to our shot script, and let's do instantiate. Now this will create the bullet prefab in position. The first argument is what to create, the second is where to create the position, and the third is the rotation. So let's do create the bullet prefab in position of game object dot find spawn point dot transform dot position, and the rotation will be quaternion identity. It's the rotation of the current game object that the script is attached to, or something else. And let's do now. We want the bullet to let's say fly away like a rocket. So let's do bullet create dot rigid body dot add force. Now I will explain it. Transform dot forward times bullet speed. Now let's explain this. We got our bullet create, that's instantiate the bullet, and now we add rigid body is a physics to the bullet. We will add this. Add force, it will add force. I don't know how to explain it. It just push it in the transform forward, the current forward, I don't know, times the bullet speed. So it will push the bullet transform forward times 6,000. Now let's attach this script to the gun. Right. Now bullet prefab, you can see. Let's add this bullet to the bullet prefab. Let's go to the gun and take it to the bullet prefab. Now on the bullet, you will see. Wait, let's test it out. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know what happened. Oh yes. Let's go to the bullets. Let's go to component physics rigid body. Now this rigid body is low to push the bullet. Now you see. Oh yes, my bullet is off. Ah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Now you can see. You can change the speed or something else. Now, if you will see. Oh yes. Let's don't do minimize on play. 1 second. Now let's try to play it. You can see on the hierarchy right here that it's great, much bullet, and it never stops, so it will lag your game a lot. So let's go to the bullet prefab. Let's create a new script, call it destroy bullet or something like that. Now in this, let's do function awake. Awake is when the bullet is start to get alive. When it's when the bullet is create, let's do destroy the game object. It's the bullet, and after, I don't know, 2 seconds, maybe let's do public variable lifetime float. Wanna set the integer, wanna set the language time. Now lifetime. Now this will destroy the bullet after the lifetime, so you can adjust the lifetime. Let's attach this destroyed bullet right into the bullet prefab. Lifetime you can do like this, and then after 832 seconds it will destroy, so we don't want this. Let's do it too. Now you can see blah 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 blah, and here in the hierarchy it's destroyed. You can see blah 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 blah, and it's destroyed after 2 seconds. So that's pretty nice thing, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.